So what are the things that might be obstacles that would get in people's way, or the things that maybe people at that age would fear, which is why they aren't taking this into consideration?
Well, the most people that I'm working with are, as you mentioned, they're downsizing or they're moving, closer to the kids or the grandkids or what
Hmm.
have you, and that's normal. And you kind of hinted at it earlier. When people find out they can actually leverage their buying power, and
Hmm.
like you mentioned, come in with 400,000 from a sale of a departure home and purchase a $600,000 home and have no mortgage payment for life. They don't get it the first time usually because it's too good to be true. I've heard that a million times. So
Right, there's got to be a catch.
yeah, got to be a catch. What are some of the possible obstacles? Of course, like any mortgage, we do look at the credit. We look at payment history.
Hmm.
We don't use a credit score, but we have a residual income calculation that needs to be met. But usually I meet that just with the Social Security income for the most part. So
Okay.
you had mentioned about the lifestyle home loan and what I call legacy dollars. Well, look,
Okay.
I want to leave my kids some equity. Well, if you really think about it, by not having to make a mortgage payment, that's on the other side. So you're actually just rearranging the legacy dollars instead of leaving it all in equity. You're using some of it to live in the home. So it depending on how the numbers work out, it's not like a one-way thing. The